Okay. I'm not cheap. I just like free things, especially free things that are actually amazing. I got a few comments from you guys asking what would be cool, good plugins to start with. I wanted to gather a few that would be free. Free 99. Completely no money. I figured that's a good place to start, no? Hi, welcome back to RAC, where we talk all things audio production and sound. In the world of music production, having the right tools can make a huge difference in terms of the quality and the creativity of your work. While there are countless paid plugins that are available, there are also some incredible free plugins that can really elevate your work. Here, we're going to explore 5 of some of my favorite free plugins that just might be the right thing for you. Hi, I'm Dariana Everett. I'm a singer-songwriter, producer, and RAC grad. Let's go. Okay, number 1, Valhalla Supermassive. We all know Valhalla Vintage Verb, a classique. If you don't, duh, it's great. However, Valhalla also has a cousin, Valhalla Supermassive, who is free and also fantastic. Valhalla is renowned for their incredible quality reverb plugins, and Valhalla Supermassive is no exception. This free plugin is designed to create lush, expansive reverb and delays that can transform any sound into something otherworldly. With a user-friendly interface and a wide range of presets, which also rock, Supermassive is perfect for adding depth and atmosphere to your tracks. Whether you're working on ambient music, electronic music, rock, vocals, pads, whatever, the rich textures and spacious effects of Valhalla Supermassive can really bring any sound to life. Take a listen. I said it, I'll say it again. I want you in every way you said. Number 2. iZotope vinyl. So for y'all lo-fi people, I've got a free 99 goodie for you from a total industry beast. iZotope is a heavyweight in the audio production world. In our video on how to make your vocals sound expensive and all the vocal production series, I use iZotope a lot. Whether it's their RX series or Nectar, there are so many incredible tools by iZotope. iZotope vinyl is no exception, except for the fact that it's exceptionally free. As the name suggests, iZotope vinyl is a free plugin that emulates the nostalgic sound of old vinyl records. It allows you to add the crackles, the pops, and mechanical noise of an old record player to your tracks, providing an authentic lo-fi feel. This plugin is ideal for hip-hop or lo-fi producers, or any genre that you want to create a vintage vibe. With adjustable parameters for year, wear, dust, and more, iZotope vinyl offers a unique way to inject character into your music. Let's take a listen. I said it, I'll say it again. I want you in every way except the way that this sounds. Alright, number 3, saturation knob. As the name suggests, it's a knob that adds saturation. How wonderful! Saturation is a crucial element in music production, adding warmth, character, and richness to your sound. The Softube saturation knob is a powerful and free plugin that provides 3 types of saturation: keep high, neutral, and keep low. This versatility really makes it suitable for so many different applications, from warming up vocals to adding grit to a synth or drums. The single knob interface makes it incredibly easy to use, allowing you to dial in the perfect amount of saturation with minimal effort. This is a must-have plugin for any producer wanting to add that analog warmth to their tracks. Let's take a listen. I said it, I'll say it again. I want you in every way except the way that this sounds. Tal Reverb 4. Okay, so we have another reverb on here, but it's for a good reason. It's free, and it's also great. Reverb is an essential tool for adding space and depth in your mixes, and Tal Reverb 4 is one of the best free reverb plugins available. This high-quality plate reverb offers a rich, lush sound that can enhance any vocal or instrument. With a simple interface and intuitive controls, Tal Reverb 4 allows you to dial in the perfect reverb settings for your track. Whether you're you're looking to add a subtle room ambience or a massive hall effect, this plugin delivers a versatile, high-quality reverb that actually is just hard to beat. Honestly, if you want a no-nonsense reverb that sounds good on most things, worth it. Especially since that's free.
You found me, heaven. Heaven is a jungle, and you ride me home.
All right. Number 5, DXd. For producers looking for a powerful and versatile synthesizer, DXd is a fantastic free option. This FM synthesizer closely emulates the iconic Yamaha DX7, offering a wide range of sounds from like classic 80s synths to more modern tones. If you guys want a video on synthesis, additive synthesis, subtractive synthesis, how synthesizers work, let me know and I can do some of those for you because it's kind of cool. Anyway, back to the video. With an extensive library of presets and a highly customizable interface, DX provides endless possibilities for sound design. Its rich dynamic sounds really make it suitable for any genre, from electronic to pop to experimental music. DXd is a must-have for any producer wanting to expand their sonic palette without breaking the bank / spending a cent, because it's free 99. Let's take a listen. I mean, there are so many plugins that are amazing, and literally this could be its own series that never ends because there are always more amazing plugins coming out. I do think these 5 free plugins, Valhalla Supermassive, iZotope Vinyl, Saturation Knob, Tal Reverb 4, and DXd are kind of like essentials for any music producer that's starting out. I use Valhalla Supermassive and the Saturation Knob all of the time, and I have paid plugins that are great, but I also use free plugins because they're also great. And it's wonderful that there are free tools available for people who are starting out and for professionals. They offer high quality sounds, user-friendly interfaces, and a wide range of possibilities. So whether you're a professional who doesn't want to spend money, or if you're someone who is just starting out and wants to have free plugins, why not? Free stuff is great. These are for you. If you want more videos like this, please comment down below. I'm super happy to do a bunch of different videos on plugins. I use them all the time. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. We come out with new content every week. Be sure to write your favorite plugins in the video below. It's always good to hear what other people like, and maybe you'll hear some cool plugins that you didn't hear before. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.